Make a great choice today with the 2016 LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, backup camera, Sirius satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, auto express down window, climate control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.